Imagine a place in the United States where it's legal to commit a crime and not be prosecuted for it. Welcome to the Zone of Death. This is a real location in the United States where a legal loophole exists that has left this area virtually lawless, leaving many to question whether justice will ever be served in this area. In today's video, we'll dive deep into what the Zone of Death is and why it exists. The Zone of Death is a small piece of land in Yellowstone National Park where a strange legal loophole exists that makes it possible to get away with murder. The loophole exists because the section in question, which measures approximately 50 square miles, falls within the boundaries of the state of Wyoming, but it's located in a federal court district that falls under the jurisdiction of Idaho. This mismatch of jurisdictions creates a massive gray area, where no legal prosecution is possible for crimes committed within the zone. The land in question was added to the state of Wyoming in 1868 as part of the Idaho Territory. In 1889, Wyoming became a state, and in 1912, the Federal District of Wyoming was created. However, Congress, in its rush to create the district, forgot about the part of Yellowstone in Wyoming. This left a hole in the law that has yet to be fixed. Until that happens, anyone who commits a crime within the zone of death theoretically cannot be prosecuted, even if they confess openly to the crime. The fact that it's possible to get away with murder in the zone of death is a major challenge to law and order, and to the justice system as a whole. The loophole has led to many debates on the limitations of the Constitution, particularly when it comes to ensuring fair trials and bringing perpetrators to justice. It's worth noting that while there has never been a crime committed in the zone of death that could be prosecuted, the threat of it happening is real and has led to a lot of concern from law enforcement officials and park rangers alike. So, there you have it, folks, the Zone of Death, an area in the United States where a legal loophole has created a bizarre situation where people can get away with almost any crime. It's an example of how an oversight in the legal system can have serious consequences. The fact that this loophole still exists is a source of concern for many, and it's unclear what steps could be taken to resolve the matter. In any case, it's an area where one has to be extra careful and mindful of their own safety.